Howdy everyone, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on Fix It Fool's Garage. And this one I'm particularly excited about. I've been working a long time for this. And that's this day's time. It's today. It's this mower's time to shine, because tomorrow morning we're taking this thing to a car show. And I did do a few things off camera, like a new gas cap and some decals. You can't see it, but when I cut to the next shot, you'll see some cool looking decals for this thing, so everyone knows who we are. And I also did put the shifter back on and the fenders. I also pulley swapped it, so it's a little bit faster. Howdy y'all, so it's the next morning. I got this thing all loaded up on the trailer. Now I can show you some of the things I did a little better, like this Rust Rocket sticker, some tire shine, Fix It Fools, got a good wash and wax, put the shifter knob back on, Rust Rocket, and then Fix It Fools up there again. And it's probably gonna get another wipe down when we get there, but for now this is good. We got it all strapped down. This thing's ready to go, so let's get going.
Clean it off.
Well, we just got here to the car show, and we got a lawnmower.
Stop mumbling.
Looks very
awkward.
Looks very out of place next to all these very cool cars.
They got a whole setup.
Yeah.
Are they selling stuff?
I don't know. They're an automotive seller, I think. But we got it here, and
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
it's here. It looks out of place, but we'll see what people say. This thing's pretty.
Thank you. 650 horse.
Oh wow. Did you engine swap it, or is it?
Yeah, it's got a Z06 Corvette motor in there, all fuel
Oh wow.
injected.
Yeah. That's cool. say hello to the vlog. All right, so we just got judged, and they put me down for most unique build, which is, I don't see any other lawnmowers here, but I'm down for most unique build, and everyone's liking it. I've had a few good conversations with people, so we'll see what happens. It's the award ceremony now. Alright, it's a couple days after the car show now. Actually, it's been probably 2 days now. It was really hard to record at the award ceremony, but I didn't win anything. I wasn't expecting to, but I want to thank everyone who put on this car show, and all the people who came out and showed their amazing cars, and all the people who were there and complimented the lawnmower and said they really liked it. Special thanks to you guys. And all the people who just had great conversations with and offered me advice. And I'm gonna let you know now, there's some good videos coming. It's because I got some connections at this car show, and we'll see what happens, but I'm just letting you know. Make sure you like and subscribe, because there's some good videos coming. But this was a shorter video, but it's one I've been waiting for a long time. And I hope you enjoyed all the cool looking cars and came along with me on this adventure. And there's also, I'd say probably one more video in this lawnmower series, so make sure you stick around for that. That should be coming out very soon. Peace out.